Let us look into another case study type of question. A square piece of tin of side 24 centimeters is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flaps to form a box. 1. The length, breadth and height of the box formed in terms of x are 24 minus 2x, x, 24 minus 2x, b, 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x, x, c, x, 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x, d is x, x. Now let us quickly solve this. So the diagram can be drawn like this. So this is now going to be the cube, the square piece of tin, or the square piece of tin whose dimensions are given as 24 centimeters. Now we are going to cut the square from each corner. We don't know the measure. Let us take it as x and x. So obviously you can see that the length now becomes 24 minus 2x. The breadth becomes 24 minus 2x. And the height of the box will be x. So the length of the box will be 24 minus 2x. Breadth of the box will be 24 minus 2x. And the height of the box will be x. So therefore we can see that the option is B is the correct option. 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x, x. That is the correct option. Subdivision 2. Volume V of the box expressed in terms of x is given by 24 minus 2x the whole cube, x cubed, c, x squared into 24 minus 2x, d, x into 24 minus 2x the whole squared. Now we know the volume of a cuboid. Now this resulting figure is now going to be a cuboid. So volume of the cuboid is nothing but L into B into H. We already saw that L is 24 minus 2x, breadth is 24 minus 2x, and the height is x. So it is now going to be x into 24 minus 2x the whole square, which is equal to 24 minus 2x the whole square into x. So we can see that option B is correct. The third subdivision asked is maximum value of volume of box is 256 centimeter cube, 512 centimeters square, C 1024 centimeter cube, D is 2048 centimeters. I'm sorry, it is cubed, children. All 256 centimeters cubed, 512 centimeters cubed. Everything is cubed. That is also cubed. 512 centimeter cube, 1024 centimeter cube, 2048 centimeter cube. Now let us quickly solve this. Now we know that the volume is nothing but x into 24 minus 2x the whole square. So for maximum value, to find out the maximum value, we need to differentiate v with respect to x. So dv by dx is equal to, we can apply the product rule. So u b dash plus b u dash. So u is x, v is 24 minus 2x the whole square. So that will give you x into 2 times 24 minus 2x into minus 2 plus b u dash. V is 24 minus 2x the whole square into 1, which on simplification we get it to be minus 4x into 24 minus 2x plus 24 minus 2x the whole square. For maximum value, dv by dx is equal to 0. We know that. So equating it to 0, we get 0 is equal to minus 4x into 24 minus 2x plus 24 minus 2x the whole square, which is nothing but On simplification, we get this to be 4x is equal to 24 minus 2x, or this implies 6x is equal to 24 or x is equal to 4. d by dx with respect to x, we get d squared b by dx squared is equal to 6 into minus 2 into 4 minus x plus 24 minus 2x into minus 1. Now we can see that this is equal to nothing but 6 into 4x minus 32. We can take the negative symbol outside, so we get minus 6 into 4x minus 32. Obviously, this is lesser than 0. So, the given value is now going to be a maximum. Volume is going to be a maximum at x is equal to 4. So, V max is equal to, in the place of x, we are now going to substitute 4. That is x into 24 minus 2x the whole square, which is equal to 4 into 24 minus 2 into 4 is 8 the whole square. On simplification, we get this to be 1024 centimeter cube. So obviously we can see that option C is correct. For the fourth part, the value of x when the volume is maximum is, so already we saw x is 4, for volume will be maximum when x is equal to 4 centimeters. So option C is correct. The fifth part, the cost of the box if the rate of making it is rupees 5 per centimeter squared when the volume is maximum is rupees 2,840, B rupees 3,840, C rupees 2,040 and D is rupees 3,480. Surface area of the box we know is given by A is equal to 2 times LB plus BH, or 2 into A is equal to 2 into L plus B into height plus 2LB, which is equal to, now the surface area is given by 2 into L plus B into height plus 2LB. Now the length of the box is now given by L is equal to 24 minus 2x, which is equal to 24 minus 2 into 4, 8, 24 minus 8, which is equal to 16 centimeters. Similarly, B is also equal to 24 minus 2x, which is nothing but 16 centimeters. And height is x centimeters, which is equal to 4 centimeters. So now substituting in this, we get A to be equal to 2 into 16 plus 16 into height is 4 plus 2 into 16 into 16. On calculating this, we get it to be 768. Now the rate is given as 5 rupees per centimeter square. So this is 768 centimeters square. So therefore, cost is equal to 768 into 5, which is equal to rupees 3840. So we can see option. Let's see which option is correct. Option 3840. Option D is correct.